Hey there, what's up? I'm Dane Bora, and this is your Costa Mesa Minute for Tuesday, May 12th. Tonight, here at City Hall, City CEO Tom Hatch and Interim Finance Director Steve Donovan will present City Council with their first opportunity to discuss the proposed city budget for next fiscal year. City Council study session gets started at 5 p.m. and the meeting will be televised live on Costa Mesa TV. And of course, you are welcome to attend the meeting in person and provide council with comments on the proposed budget, which is available for your review on the city's website. Also this evening, the Newport Mesa Unified Board of Education will conduct their regular scheduled meeting in the boardroom on Bear Street. The meeting starts at 6 p.m. and the agenda is available on the district website. And in other school news, the Estancia High School Golf Program invites you to play in the 25th Annual Eagle Golf Classic on Monday, June 22nd at the Costa Mesa Country Club. The four-person best ball scramble will have prizes for longest drive and closest to the pin for 3 skill levels. And a dinner buffet and drawing will follow golf at the Newport Rib Company. And tomorrow at the Segerstrom Center for the Arts, the world's best-loved musical returns to the Segerstrom Hall stage. A brand new incarnation of the iconic original production of Annie takes the stage with 16 shows in 12 days. Check out the Segerstrom Center website for details and tickets. And that's Costa Mesa today in a minute or two. Remember, if it happens at Costa Mesa, it's news to us. I'm Dane Bora. We'll see you tomorrow.